Hello guys, welcome once again, and in today's short video I am going to show you that how can you actually run your audio file on your computer system within the premises of your C# application. Alright, so with the help of your C# application you are going to run your audio file, right? So for that purpose I have dragged out two buttons and I have changed their names from here, the text. Okay, so same from the play audio. So the one button, what it will do when I will hit it, it will open the dialog for me, dialog box, and from where I will select any file, any audio file, and when I will select this, the path of that file appears right here. Okay, so then what will happen, that this play, when I will hit this play audio button, it will catch the path of the file from this text field, and then it is going to run that specific file. Okay, so I hope you have got the concept. So when I will get into it, you will understand it better. So for example, when I will hit double click on my choose file button, you can see this code that I have written, and I have also shown you in my previous videos, 2 or 3 videos. So I will attach the link to them, so where you can learn about this open file dialog, right? So what this first line will do, when you will hit this button, it will open a dialog for you, and that dialog actually will give it an object, right? So we'll assign that object to that dialog. So now what will happen, it will check if your dialog, if you have selected anything from your dialog, right, the dialog box that have opened earlier. So if you select anything from that, then this code is going to execute, elsewise nothing is gonna happen, right? Because we have nothing up, nothing down here, right? So this line, what it shows, that this file path or file name, whatever it will be assigned to this text box, and this dot text box 6 is basically this one, this text box. So you can see from the name here, it must be here, right here. So here you can see that this is text box 6. So likewise I have written in my code for choose file. So the next thing is, the next game will come with this play audio button. So play audio, we have this try catch block in here, and now we are going to write our code. So now I'm gonna write here exception, that is basically in this case win32 exception, and I'm gonna assign it a variable or something, and now I need to print out the exception, whatever it will come. So message box dot show, and in here I will write ex dot message, right? So now whenever any kind of exception occurs due to the selection of the file, for example if you select a wrong file, then this catch block is gonna be executed, and whatever the exception is, whatever the error is, this will tell us, and it will print the error via this. Okay, so now come to the try block, and now we're gonna write here the code. Okay, so first of all we'll write here system dot media dot sound player, and we are gonna define a variable, like for example play. Okay, and the next thing that we're gonna do, the same thing, new system dot media sound player, and now the brackets off. The next thing, in the next line we are going to use the variable play, and by using that we'll write here sound location. Then there comes the text box, we are going to put that equal to the text box that we have, and that is text box 6. Yeah, here it is. So I'll copy paste it. So text box 6 here. So now we are going to write the next thing, and that is basically play dot load. Exactly. And now the last thing that we will do, that play dot play synchronous. So we need to synchronize that our audio file, whatever it will be. Okay, so these are the simple lines of code that you need to write. So first of all, you need to define a variable of media type that will actually refer to a file, and it will tell your C# application that we are going to define an audio file, or we are going to involve an audio file, okay, within the C# application. So the next thing, that is the play dot sound location. It will take the value of the text box, because if you remember that we are copying our path in this text box via this button. Okay, so you will see that soon, okay, when I will run my program. And the next thing, that it is that play dot load, whatever is the file there on the path, it will play that. And the next line is for synchronization of data. Okay, so what it will do, it will synchronize all the data and it will run it, the audio data I mean. And if any kind of error occurs, for example, if you select any wrong file of any type, then it will catch an exception. So we are pretty much done here. So let's go ahead and run our program, and let's see what we have on our output. Okay, so now it is taking a little bit of time to run my program, so we'll wait. So now our program is running, so we'll put our credentials in, like yeah, 1 2 3, right? So we'll hit login, and login successful. So we have this kind of window open as an output window, and in here you can see that we have button, the choose file and the play audio. So what we will do, we'll hit the choose file button, and the open file dialog, because of that program, that code, we have this dialog open. So I can go anywhere I want, and I can access any file anywhere in my system. So right here on my desktop I have a file, okay, an audio file. So when I will open it, it will show me the path of that file. Okay, and the next thing that I'm gonna do, I will hit this play audio button, and you will listen to the sound. All right, this is a short sound of rain, so you will listen to it when I will hit this button. So you can see that how well you can play any audio sound like that. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video. So thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.